Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to solve the internet problem on any Vivo phone. Now first of all, just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in your smartphone. Now to do that, just use the SIM card ejector tool which comes with the smartphone in the box. Or you can use any SIM card ejector tool available. Now the second step is to insert the SIM card ejector tool in the SIM tray hole at the bottom of your smartphone. Now once you do that, just take out the SIM tray from your smartphone. Now from here, just check if your SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM tray. Now from here, also check if there are any scratches on the SIM card of your smartphone. Now once you have done that, just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now for the second step to fix the internet problem on your smartphone, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just tap on SIM card and mobile network. From here, just scroll down and tap on your SIM card name. Now just scroll down and tap on preferred network type. Now if it is on 3G or 2G, just select 4G. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable VoLTE. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on System Management. From here, just tap on Reset Options and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, and Bluetooth. From here, just tap on Reset Settings and tap on Reset Settings one more time. Now once you do that, it will reset all the network settings on your smartphone. Now for the last step to solve the internet problem on your smartphone is to reboot your smartphone. Now to do that, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now from here, just tap on Restart. Now once you do that, your smartphone will restart and solve the internet problem on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has rebooted. Now as you can see, this is how you can solve the internet problem on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.